Good morning. Welcome to a college week in my life. This week is going to be so busy. I have 2 exams this week, so it's not going to be an easy one. But if you guys are not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I have something to tell you. Oh my gosh. So if you guys remember, I had these mirrors here and they had these shelves on them and they had like a couple decor. When I was moving into my room, I would get comments like, oh, what happens when they fall on you? And I'm like, they're not gonna fall on me. One of them fell, but not on me. This one, I don't know if you can see it. I'll jump on the bed. Hopefully there's not glass on here while I'm standing. This part was attached to the mirror and this is attached to the wall and this fell off. I don't even know how. And then this one I took off because it kind of made like a little wiggle sound and I was like, no. I'm not happy about it. I was in the living room. It was like 12:30 a.m. I was with my roommate and we heard this bang and then this shatter sound immediately. And I was like, I just knew it was my mirror, but the mirror wasn't the thing that broke. It was this candle right there. It had like a hole. It kind of looked like one of those anthropology candles, and there's still shattered glass like attached to it. There's glass there, but there's glass all that fell. That's not good. You can see there like that glass broke, and this is just all shattered glass. And it was super dark at night, so I was like, okay, I'll just deal with this later. That's how that broke. I guess today I have to deal with that, cleaning it up. I'm currently waiting for my Zoom class to start. It was so cute. I'm upset about it. Anyways, I guess I'll clean up the glass while I wait for my class to start. Shoes. Please don't have glass in it. It's just shaking it out. I
am the Director of Supply Chain Services for this company called Network Services. We're based out of Schaumburg, Illinois, and we're a very big, never heard of. And so there's this big supplier guy, and he sends it to a warehouse. So
This just looks so stupid, like unbelievably stupid. The headboard is basically like a picture frame, so it's hung to the wall, so I can't move it. I wonder if you guys can hear the air vent here, but I moved my bed to the corner of the wall. I picked up as much glass as I possibly could, but I was like, honestly, I don't want to deal with this right now. And since it's not pretty up here anymore, I'm like, I'm just gonna shove my bed to the corner. I'll deal with the rest of the glass later. My stepdad said he can fix my mirror, so thank you. This is not what I needed this week. I'm like really, I don't know why I'm doing this. I'm really stressed for this week because all the tests, there's so much going on. It's 10:08. At 11 o'clock, I'm going to go to the gym with my little because we made plans to do that. So until then, I'm going to work on studying for my exam that's on Wednesday. He has these study guides and I was like, great. No, they're not a study guide. It's just like a highlighted list of like ideas that we need to study. It's not what I thought it was. I don't know why I keep doing this.
A handful of you might not know what supply chain management is.
This is my gym fit. I feel like I'm gonna wear a jacket just because it's like a little cold to walk over because we're gonna go to her gym because mine is closed. Everything here is closed. Victoria's Secret pink, and then this is like the matching one, and then just this top. I literally got this top I think when I was 13, 14 from Boohoo, and I still wear it. I have the white one too. I wear it all the time. It's like my favorite crop top that I've ever owned, and I cannot find one that's nearly as good. When do I stop wearing clothes I bought when I was a preteen? I guess I was a teenager then, but early teen. Now I need to put shoes on and drink my like pre-workout and get my water ready. Oh no, I have like 5 minutes to leave. I don't have time to be vlogging right now. Okay, bye. New angle with my bed in the corner. So a couple updates. I worked out with my little. We did the 12-3-30, of course, like every girl. We're trendy. And then I came here and I was like, okay, I'm gonna do my Chloe Ting workout. And I probably did like 11 minutes of it and I was like, I can't do this anymore. I don't know, I feel like I've been like really stressed on time. It's almost 3 o'clock. I need to log on to my Zoom class. I made lunch. You guys were asking me for the recipe for this. I made air fryer sweet and sour chicken. I made up like my own kind of recipe. How I normally do this is I will just like find recipes online and then I will switch out things that I already have or things that I'm like, oh, I think this would make it taste better, or this, I don't really like this. I kind of just go for the idea of like, okay, how long do I need to cook it? Am I on mute? Yeah, I'm on mute. And throughout the week, I'm gonna try to perfect the recipe because I didn't think it was like, and then I also worked on my study guide. I'm really not that far. I feel like the day has like really slipped by. Working out in the middle of the day has really kind of like messed with me, but that's the only time that works for both me and my little. She's a priority to me. You make time for those you care about. I did this page and then I did this page and I still have to do like a little bit more than double that. I think this might be gross, so you can skip this if you don't want to. I'll put a timestamp. I'm going to the dermatologist tomorrow, so by the time this video comes up, it will be gone, but I'm breaking out in hives. And at first I was like, oh, it's eczema. And then I'm like, this is not eczema. This is sitting like this this, and my roommate looked at it and I was like, oh my god, like it's getting so much worse. Now I'm stressed that I have an exam in one of my classes. The class that I'm going to right now, I don't understand anything that I'm learning. I couldn't even tell you what this class is about, and I'm trying really hard, but it's not happening. It's not. I never understand this. The class starts in 9 minutes and there's 3 people in the room. It's me, one other girl, and the teacher. I'm like, how did people not show up 15 minutes early? I just have no idea what's going on.
If you wanted to buy
at all.
asset, when would you buy it? And the way to think of
My teacher's telling us the plot of The Bachelor right now.
Hot air balloon ride, okay?
She's talking about
And so, maybe I'm biased, but I noticed that during the balloon ride, The Bachelor had a lot of chemistry with Michelle. It's more chemistry than I've seen with any of the other bachelorettes this season. It's because of the scary date. I don't really know. It seems to be working. I feel like this could possibly be cool, so we're gonna do a time lapse, but if it's not cool, then we won't anymore. But I'll make it quick. Good morning, happy Tuesday. After I work out, we clean this mess up. A priority. I'm kind of getting like flow zone vibes, like where's my super suit kind of vibes. Just me? Me post-workout. Worked out, showered. Now I need to brush my hair because it's a mess. Here's my outfit. This is from Forever 21. I got it my senior year of high school. And then I got these from Garage this semester, so I kind of feel cute. But I wore this tank top so my dermatologist that I am seeing today can see my eyes. I talked to you while I brush my hair. A little multitask. No, this is not it. Where's my brush? I have a dermatologist appointment at 2, and then tomorrow I have my first exam of the week, so I need to study for it today. I'm also going to be studying like a little like live study with me video, so I will link it down below for you guys. Today is a study day. It's literally noon and all I've done today is work out. Like I worked out 3 times. It was kind of unintentional, but the grind. I see a vein popping out of my forehead. Am I stressed? My camera is burning hot from how much I've been recording me studying. I need to take a break. I have the dermatologist 45-ish minutes, so I'm like, you know what? Deserve a break. Not even halfway done, so. Just got done with my appointment. There's a guy in a car staring at me, like making direct eye contact, and I'm uncomfy. Picking up my prescriptions. I want candy, but they don't have the one I want. Okay. About 8:30 right now, and I just decided to be done studying for the day. Maybe we might go back, but I feel pretty confident about this test. I feel like I spent the entire day studying and I feel really good about it. I need to do a few more things, so I guess I'm not done, but for the most part I'm done. Blessed. Wish me luck on my test tomorrow, even though it's already happened. And I really want candy. I really want the Reese's peanut butter cup like eggs. I'm kind of deciding if I want to go to Target and get them. Good morning. So I just took an exam, the one that I was studying for all day yesterday. I think it went really well. There was like maybe like 2 or 3 that I was like, but the rest of them I was like, yeah. Studying pays off. Now I'm just gonna do some more homework before I go to the gym with my little. It's gonna be so fun. It's a little while later. I've been working on some homework, but I also got these dresses in the mail. I don't know if this video will be up by the time this video goes up, but I'm gonna let you guys pick out my 21st birthday dress. So I have quite a few options. I was just trying them on. This literally feels like 27 Dresses, the movie. I'm not really sure which one I want.
Our senators sitting around and arguing about should this say all cotton or... Okay,
today is, what day is it, Thursday? Thursday, yeah. So I literally had a mental breakdown all last night because I did not do well on that exam. I got a 70% on it. I literally was convinced that at minimum I would get a 90, so I genuinely don't know what happened. I'm getting very frustrated about it because I spent so long studying and I really thought I did well. I was convinced. I also got a package from Amazon. Someone told me you can do that, so there we go. But today I've just been... isn't what I wanted it to be. Today I've just been studying for another exam, but I ordered, don't hate me, I ordered some disposable face masks because I like to work out in these. I feel like it's more sanitary than like using ones that I have sweat in and I don't do my laundry enough. I tried my very best to be like as environmentally like small of a footprint as I can. I make sure not to litter these. I know it's not the best, but it's sanitary. I don't know. What do you guys do? This is the same one that I ordered last time when I bought these disposable face masks as a joke before the pandemic. Anyone remember that? But I've just been studying all day and I just feel like I literally can't function distraction at all. So fun. Happy Friday. Every single day this week at night, I've been digging myself in this like deep, dark hole of sadness. I say that as I laugh. Wow, that's how I cope. Anyways, yeah, I just have been like really down on myself this week, just not feeling my best. I don't want to complain, but I feel like a lot of people are feeling this. Like, it's really hard to do. Being a full-time student, I literally have a full-time job. Any ounce of life that's not outside Zoom is hard. But I've just been really down on myself and I need to stop. But I worked out. I had my exam. It didn't go that well. None of my exams have been going well. Always the first exam's always the hardest. I'm really thankful they always drop 1. Not always. They don't always. Some of my classes drop my lowest exam. Bless. This one that I'm studying for right now, it doesn't. I have an exam on Monday, which I don't like that there's exams on Monday. Not a fan. But after I worked out and took my exam, I'm now working on this. So I basically went through. Okay, well, I think I just lost it. Oh, no, here it is. Okay, wait. What is happening? Anyways, I'm watching Bridgerton while I was putting it in Quizlet. This is like all of my little notes that I did. Wait, there's more. This is my study guide, and then I put all of them into Quizlet so I can study it as a flashcard. But I'm just not really in the mood. I just don't want to. I mean, my test is on Monday, so I definitely need to, but I think Sunday is a day I'll like grind. But I think that I should maybe like edit a video or something. But the thing is, if I edit a video, I can't listen to Bridgerton, so it's like, this has just been like a really off week, and I feel like weeks that I have exams are just like crazy busy, and I feel like because I pretty much had 3 exams, I mean my exam's on Monday, but I still have to study for it this week, it just not going my way, gotta admit. Just editing my video, normally I edit most of it, and then I'm like, okay, I'll just like leave the last 10 seconds of editing for me to do the next day. I need to stop doing that. Just like picked up my room a little bit, and then I made my to-do list for tomorrow and Sunday. It's almost 5 p.m. How?